So now we will see about tympanic membrane. So tympanic membrane is a thin elliptical shaped pearly grey membrane that separates the external auditory canal from the middle ear. It is almost horizontal in the infants. The tympanic membrane is divided into four quadrants: anterosuperior, anteroinferior, posterosuperior and posterior-inferior. In the anteroinferior area, the cone of light is present. Okay. Then the membrane is convex towards the middle ear cavity. The membrane is convex towards the middle ear cavity and the peak of its convexity is present at the umbo. Okay. Now, the width of the tympanic membrane is 8 to 9 millimeter. The height of the tympanic membrane is 9 to 10 millimeter. The thickness is 0.1 millimeter. The total surface area of the tympanic membrane is about 85 square millimeter, out of which 2/3 area is vibrating area. Okay, vibrating area. Now we will see about the parts of the tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane is divided into two parts. The first part is pars tensa. Okay, so what is pars tensa? It is a larger part of the tympanic membrane. Peripherally, the pars tensa is thickened to form the annulus tympanicus. Okay, annulus tympanicus, which is set in a bony groove called the tympanic sulcus. This groove is deficient in the above to form a notch. The notch is called as notch of Rivinus. Then in the middle there is the handle of Malleus. Okay, the handle of Malleus has three layers: outer epidermal layer, middle fibrous layer and inner mucosal layer. Then the superior part of the tympanic membrane, it is called as the pars flaccida. It has other name, that is Shrapnel's membrane. Shrapnel's membrane. It is separated from the pars tensa by two folds, that is anterior malleolar fold and posterior malleolar fold. Here the fibrous layer is deficient. This is the final diagram of tympanic membrane with all parts. So now we will see about the nerve supply of tympanic membrane. The outer anterior part of the tympanic membrane is supplied by auriculotemporal nerve. The outer posterior surface of the tympanic membrane is supplied by the auricular branch of vagus nerve. The inner surface is supplied by the tympanic plexus.